In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Adore Beauty discount codes. So let's get started. So Adore Beauty is an online store which sells products for our skin and etc. So now you might be wondering whether you can get a discount. Well, yes, you can. So you have to go to your web browser and search up Adore Beauty discount codes, and then you're gonna see many websites. So first of all, I'm gonna head to this website, Coupon Follow. So I'm gonna click on it. Alright, then I'm gonna be redirected to a new page, and as you guys can see, that's the company right there, Adore Beauty coupon codes, and then there are many codes here. So I'm just gonna open one. So choose a free 6-piece bag on orders above $149. So you can just click on it, and then you'll see the code. So if you type this code on checkout, you're gonna have an option of choosing a free 6-piece bag. Well, there are many other codes. So for example, $20 off using this coupon. So what's the code? That's the code right there. Let's see a few more. Okay, so 15% off using this code at checkout. So I'm gonna click on it, and that's the code right there. Well, you can always go to other websites. So yeah, let's go to their official website, Adore Beauty, and it says limited time only, free mystery 3-piece gift when you spend $120 and if you use the code goody. So whenever you're on this website spending above $120, you should always use this code and you get a free mystery 3-piece gift. So yeah, that's how promo codes work. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.